everyone, today is Wednesday the 2nd of June and today Future Me is going to be at the Cotswold Youth Roadshow. This is going to be our first event that we've ever done as a youth rep team. Today we are at 3 locations. We are at Lechlade, Fairford and South Cerney. I unfortunately am turning up a little bit late because I live slightly further afield, so I'm turning up to Fairford. So I'm going to bring you guys along and I will update you all when I find the rest of the team.
So I have just arrived in Fairford and by the looks of it I can see the rest of the team, so about to go and find them. So it is now a little bit later in the evening and we have moved to our second location, which is South Cerney. Earlier we were in Fairford, which unfortunately I didn't get any videos from, but by the sounds of it was thoroughly enjoyed. And now we are in South Cerney. And yeah, we've got some drums going. I think we're going to start a game of cricket in a bit, so we'll see how it goes. So this is the board that we've been getting people to fill in. Kind of a little spider web. Getting people to rate all of these different things and talk about their challenges. A few new people and heard from them and heard about what they want to say and had nice conversations with them, which has been really, really good. Overall, I think it's just been a really lovely day where we as a team have managed to get together and kind of chill out a bit and engage with a whole load of other young people, which has been fantastic.
Hey, my name's James. I've been around all 3 of the Cotswold Roadshow events today, and thoroughly what I've enjoyed most, to be honest, just interacting with the community, getting to see what other people are like, what people experience around the entire area, what they're interested in, and just trying to get them actively engaged in just doing sports we've done today, just actively asking questions around the community, and just seeing what everyone wants us to do and what they would like to change in the area. It's been a brilliant day. I can't wait to do it again.
So today at the Cotswold Roadshow we have been handing out these posters, which have been wonderfully designed by Ben. They have all of the information about the resource packs and what Future Me is. We've also been handing out our lovely branded wristbands, which have our name on them and our Instagram and social media handles. So please make sure to check us out on that if you are ever wearing one of these. And if you're ever wearing one of these wristbands, please show everyone, tell everyone about it. If you saw us today, we really enjoyed talking to you and today has been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to everyone who has helped us out with it. Hopefully soon there will be many events in the future.